It's a 312QBUD. And it's a pretty awesome trailer. It's got an electric awning, 2 entry doors, outside kitchen, outside grill. You can bring the TV outside if you'd like. There's a TV back here in the kitchen area that swivels. You can watch it outside or you can watch it in the bedroom. I should have it turned on. Got an outside fridge, spare tire, Schwintek slides. We got her plugged in. I'd be happy to demonstrate everything for you. Got an outside shower, black tank flush. Plenty of storage. We'll go on inside and check it out. I think I did this yesterday, but we'll do it again till it's sold. Got a aluminum structure. That's the super pass-through storage with the cooler size door. It's aluminum structure, vacuum bonded fiberglass. You'll never get any rot out of fiberglass and aluminum. Got the typical island queen with storage underneath. TV you can watch from the living room or the bedroom. Extra large dinette with 44-inch drawers on both sides for storage. The kitchen's pretty nice kitchen here. This one's in the low 20s. It's a one owner. Be glad to bring it out, deliver it, set it up, whatever it takes. Pull out sprayer, microwave, good size fridge, lots of pantry space. There's pantry space over here. "44-inch bunk with the ladder." There's that spot where the TV spins around. Right now it's out in the outside kitchen so we can watch it while we're grilling. You've got a jackknife sofa there that converts into a hide-a-bed with 2 drawers underneath. Flip down overhead bunk. We actually have a deal pending on this one. We will get an answer from the bank on Monday. Nice bright bathroom with a door to the outside. So if people got to use your bathroom, they don't have to traipse through your trailer. They can just use the bathroom. Nice PVC flooring on the entire main floor. Next time I film this, I think I'll have the blinds up. Let some light in here. The awning rolls in and out real easy. I'll show you how that works. Here's the button right here. Awning in. There you go. We're about to have the awning rolled in. That's all there is to it. So let's roll the awning back out. There's Crystal mowing the yard. I got her on gopher patrol. Had a few customers in today. Nothing to write home about. It's a good looking trailer. If you're in the market for one, low 20s is a good price. It books for 27 and some change. Anyhow, see you later.